Dysgraphia is a neurological condition that makes writing a challenging and often frustrating task, affecting everything from forming letters to organizing thoughts on paper. Whether it's messy handwriting, difficulty with spelling, or struggling to get ideas down clearly, these hurdles can make everyday writing tasks overwhelming. If these challenges sound familiar, it might be worth exploring whether dysgraphia is the underlying cause. Let me introduce you to the Dysgraphia Type Remedial Assessment, an innovative tool that uncovers and addresses the specific writing difficulties faced by individuals with different types of dysgraphia. Designed for individuals aged 7 and up, this web-based assessment explores 2 distinct types of dysgraphia onset: acquired and developmental dysgraphia. It also explores 3 origin types: motor, spatial, and linguistic dysgraphia. After completing the assessment, you'll receive a comprehensive report that not only identifies the specific type, but also provides targeted strategies, teaching recommendations, and product suggestions tailored to the learner's needs. But that's not all. Educational institutions and professionals can access a partner portal that enables the management of assessments, provides group data, and offers savings with bulk pricing options. Join us in transforming the educational landscape for learners with dysgraphia, turning challenges into opportunities for growth. Be sure to check out all the links in the show notes. To learn more about Dr. Warren's other web-based assessments for dyslexia, dyscalculia, executive functions, and more, visit www.goodsensorylearning.com.